5 crypto exchanges for beginners. Now, crypto can be daunting for beginners. It was for me back in 2017 when I first got into crypto. I had no idea what I was getting myself into. Now today, I'm going to be giving you some info about 5 exchanges that are easy to use and have some really good benefits, really good features. They're ideal for beginners. The exchanges are Coinbase, Binance, eToro, Crypto.com and FTX. And if you stick around till the end, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can buy crypto on one of these exchanges. Go online and check out these exchanges for yourself. Do a bit of digging. All I'm doing today is giving you some of the benefits of each of the exchanges, and like I said, giving you a step-by-step guide on how to buy it. Here are some of the benefits of Coinbase. Very easy to use as a beginner. It has enhanced security features like keeping a large number of client funds in cold wallets, which is more secure than being held on an exchange. Another security feature is that Coinbase has insurance in place. So if you get hacked and you had some of your crypto stolen from your wallet, the insurance would cover you up to a certain amount, up to a certain value. It's available in over 100 countries, so you can pretty much use Coinbase anywhere in the world. It has free user education, which is a big plus for me, as it helps beginners. Helps beginners learn about crypto. And a bonus with the education sector is that you can earn while you learn. Now it's on to some of the benefits of Binance, my favorite exchange. It has an easy sign-up process, lowest transaction fees of any major exchange, which is a big plus. Free deposits, so it doesn't cost you any money to deposit your fiat currency. Has a large range of cryptos to choose from. It offers crypto savings accounts, so you can stake your crypto, which is what I've been doing over the last year or two on Binance. For ease of use, Binance has probably been my favorite exchange to date. Now the next exchange is eToro. eToro is authorized and regulated by the FCA, Financial Conduct Authority. Has a wide range of payment methods. Instantly deposit funds with a UK debit or credit card. No deposit fees. Professionally managed smart portfolio that gives you access to a diversified basket of digital assets. And moving on to Crypto.com. Crypto earn feature where you can earn interest, again staking your crypto. Card purchases are free for the first 30 days. Free crypto wallet, non-custodial wallet app, which is really good. A dedicated university section, really aimed at beginners so you can learn all about crypto. And the last exchange is FTX. FTX has an insurance fund policy, so you're protected from hacks and exploits. Liquidation engine, guaranteeing liquidity. Has other cool security features like 2FA, and you can go into loads of different markets like stocks and forex. So look into these exchanges, see what works for you. Now, as I mentioned at the start of the video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can buy crypto on one of these exchanges. Now, an exchange is an online platform that allows you to buy, store and send your crypto from one place to another. So first, you open an account and verify your account using the simple to use steps. 2, you make sure your account has all the security features like 2FA. 3, you deposit fiat currency from your bank into the exchange, like £100 for example. 4, you swap your fiat currency to crypto, like pounds to Bitcoin. 5, your Bitcoin will automatically be held in an exchange wallet, and this is where it is stored. 6, you can send your Bitcoin to someone else or somewhere else. For example, to someone for a payment, or you can send it to a cold offline wallet. And this is the most secure way to hold your Bitcoin or your crypto. So a few tips to finish with. Have an open mind and learn all about crypto with the help of one of these exchanges. Only invest a small amount when you're first starting out and stick to a plan. I personally invest long term. My strategy is long term buy and hold with property, index investing and crypto. I started with about 1% of my net worth in crypto and I've moved up to about 10%. So my convictions grew over the years. Just don't dive in and put your life savings into this volatile asset class. Maybe start off with a focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum and dollar cost average into Bitcoin, maybe. You can then move on to other cryptos as time goes on, as your knowledge increases. Spend maybe a bit of time each week getting used to each exchange or the exchange you choose. It might seem daunting at first, it will do, but it soon becomes second nature the more time you spend on these exchanges. Tell your friends and family about it, about crypto. Tell them what you're up to, and maybe you'll find someone with a common interest, someone you can bounce off, and this will improve your learning and your understanding. It's very important to stay safe. Take security very seriously, as the safety of your crypto is down to you. When you set up your exchange, take the time to do all the security features like 2FA or email or SMS, and enjoy learning about crypto. The more I've got into crypto, it has improved my financial literacy. It's led me to fully understand the history of money and things like inflation. My genuine belief is that if you're financially literate, you can invest with skill. And if you invest with skill, you can invest your way to financial freedom, financial independence. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you've liked it, if you've liked the content, give me a thumbs up. And if you've really liked it, subscribe to the channel and help me get the content out there. Thanks for listening.